So you want to start a storage facility. You heard self-storage is a cash cow, and one facility could set you up for life. You're right, but only if you build it right and run it right. It's not uncommon for storage facilities to go belly up. Most experienced business owners can start a facility on their own and do so successfully. They gallantly charge up the mountain, dealing with daily challenges, and do so burdened with compliance. Conquering that mountain is satisfying and the pot of gold comforting. Decisions made in the beginning without foresight and the wisdom that only comes with experience will limit the facility's potential income, sometimes irreversibly. 5 years down the line, they regret the path taken. HB are launch specialists. On day one, we build your business to maximize its potential. We know the tricks of the trade. We know your competition's weaknesses and how to exploit them. We install systems, hire and train employees, build a winning culture, and train you to master your own business. We destroy impact fees and property taxes. You will learn to master your business, enjoy the rewards, and experience peace, ease, and fulfillment every step of the way. Once there, you can set out on your own and build more cash cows, or simply enjoy what you already have. It's up to you. HB is a boutique firm, and due to the level of service provided to each client, we can service only a handful of clients each year. Contact us now for a free assessment and to reserve your spot in line.